Welcome, science fans! Today we're diving into biology, the science of life. From invisible germs to giant whales, biology explores every living thing, including you. It helps us understand how our bodies work, why we look like our parents, and how all life is connected. Biology is the foundation of medicine, agriculture, and our fight against climate change. By studying life, we unlock the secrets of our past and shape a better future. Ready to discover what makes something truly alive? Let's get started. What does it mean to be alive? This question has fascinated humans for thousands of years, sparking curiosity in everyone from philosophers to scientists, and even children exploring the world around them. When we look at a blooming flower, or watch a child marvel at insects crawling through currents and we're reminded of the wonder and complexity of life itself. It's trickier than it seems. Even experts sometimes struggle to agree on a single definition. In classrooms and laboratories, students and scientists debate what truly separates the living from the non-living. Is it movement, growth, or something deeper? Ancient thinkers like Aristotle tried to answer this puzzle long ago. He believed living things grow, reproduce, and respond to their environment. These ideas laid the foundation for how we think about life, and they still influence science today. Today, scientists have built on those early ideas. Now, life is often defined as a self-sustaining chemical system capable of evolution. This means living things can maintain themselves, change over time, and adapt to their surroundings through generations. To make this definition practical, scientists use a checklist of characteristics. If something meets all the criteria, like having cells, using energy, growing, reproducing, and responding to the environment, it's considered alive. This checklist helps us sort out the living from the non-living in a clear, organized way. This approach helps us tell living things apart from non-living things, like fire or rocks, which might share some traits but don't meet all the requirements. It also guides our search for life beyond Earth. As we look for these same signs on other planets, there's no perfect definition, and new discoveries sometimes challenge our ideas. But using a checklist lets us explore the mysteries of life in a scientific way, asking questions and testing what we know. So what are these rules that help us decide what's alive? Let's break them down and see how they shape our understanding of life. Scientists have long been fascinated by the question, what exactly makes something alive? To answer this, they use a set of guidelines, 7 key characteristics that help us distinguish living things from non-living matter. These rules are not just for academic curiosity, they help us understand the incredible diversity of life on Earth, from the tiniest microbe to the largest animal. These 7 characteristics are the foundation for defining life, and they apply to all living organisms, no matter how different they may seem. The first rule is regulation. Living things must maintain stable internal conditions, even when the environment changes. For example, when we sweat during exercise, our bodies are working to keep our temperature just right. This ability to regulate is essential for survival. Second, living things respond to their environment. Plants turn their leaves towards sunlight to maximize energy, while animals react quickly to threats like a deer sprinting away from danger. This responsiveness helps organisms survive and thrive in changing conditions. Third, all living things reproduce. Whether it's a single cell dividing or animals giving birth, reproduction ensures that life continues from one generation to the next, passing on genetic information. Fourth, growth and development are vital. Organisms don't just get bigger, they follow a specific pattern of development, guided by their DNA. From a tiny seedling to a towering tree, or a caterpillar transforming into a butterfly, growth and development are signs of life. Fifth, energy processing is crucial. All living things need energy to survive. Some get it by eating food, while others, like plants, capture sunlight through photosynthesis. This energy powers every activity, from movement to growth. Sixth, organization is a hallmark of life. Living things are made up of complex structures, from tiny cells to entire organ systems working together. This organization allows life to function in remarkable ways. Seventh, adaptation through evolution. Over generations, populations of living things change to better survive in their environments. This is why we see such a wide variety of forms and behaviors in nature, from chameleons that blend in to polar bears thriving in the Arctic. These 7 rules help us recognize life in all its forms, whether it's a single bacterium or a massive blue whale. They remind us of the unity and diversity of living things on our planet. Yet, not everything fits perfectly into these categories. Some entities, like viruses, challenge our definitions and push us to keep exploring what it truly means to be alive. Take viruses. They blur the line between living and non-living. Alone, a virus can't grow, process energy, or reproduce. But inside a host cell, it hijacks the machinery to make more viruses. Viruses can evolve, but they can't do most things on the life checklist without help. That's why most scientists don't consider them truly alive. They exist in a gray area. Biological machines, not organisms. Viruses remind us that nature doesn't always fit our definitions. The debate keeps biology exciting and ever-evolving. Our definition of life is based on Earth, but what about elsewhere in the universe? Astrobiologists search for life by looking for water and studying extremophiles, organisms that thrive in extreme conditions. Life on other worlds might use different chemistry or energy sources. Discovering alien life could force us to rewrite our rules. The search isn't just about aliens, it's about understanding life's possibilities. Are we alone? The quest teaches us about life's resilience and uniqueness, and it deepens our appreciation for the living world we call home. Biology is the science that uncovers the mysteries of life, revealing how every living thing on Earth is connected in a vast, intricate web. From the tiniest microbe to the tallest tree, we all share a common ancestor, and our stories are intertwined through billions of years of evolution. At the heart of this connection lies the genetic code, a universal language written in DNA. This code shapes who we are, how we grow, and how we adapt to our environment. By studying other organisms, from bacteria to blue whales, we gain insights into our own bodies and minds. This knowledge helps us solve real-world problems, from curing diseases to protecting endangered species. Biology is the foundation of modern medicine, guiding the development of life-saving drugs, vaccines, and treatments that improve our quality of life. It also shapes the food we eat, the crops we grow, and even the clothes we wear, many of which come from plants and animals carefully cultivated by humans. On a cosmic scale, biology connects us to the universe itself. The atoms in our bodies were forged in ancient stars, reminding us that we are literally made of stardust, part of a story much bigger than ourselves. Understanding biology empowers us to make informed choices about our health, our environment, and the future of our planet. It inspires us to care for ourselves and for the world we share. Biology isn't just a subject in school, it's the story of us, woven through every culture, every family, and every generation. It helps us understand our place in the universe, fostering a sense of wonder and responsibility for the only home we have. By learning biology, we gain the tools to protect life's incredible diversity and beauty, ensuring that future generations can experience the wonders of our living planet. That's the true power of science. To connect, to inspire, and to help us build a better world for all living things.